Good morning, children. 8th standard. Now, we finished the lesson already, that is the 5th lesson, Educational Development in India. Now, today I am going to give you the answers for the exercises. Understand? You just take page number 56. Take out your history book, social book, take page number 56. First, you copy down in your books. Then you can write in your classwork notebook. We'll start from choose the correct answer. That is Roman letter 1. Choose. First answer. The word Veda is derived from 4 options they gave you. That is, the answer is A. Sanskrit. Second one, D. All of this. Third one, C. Bihar. Fourth one, C. 1980. Fifth one, D. Portuguese. Sixth one, A. Charter Act of 1813. A. And seventh one, Radhakrishnan Commission. That is B. Radhakrishnan Commission in the year 1948. Then eighth one, C. 1986. Next, fill in the blanks. That is Roman letter 2. First one. The word Veda means knowledge. Second one, Taxila. Alexander Cunningham. Third one, Iltutmish. Fourth one, 1992. And fifth one, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. That is SSA. And sixth one, 1956. Then Roman letter 3. Match the following. I'll write the left hand side first. Itzing. Francis Xavier. Wood's Dispatch. Sarafoji II. Sir Thomas Munro. The answers. I'll write the direct answers. Itzing, Chinese scholar. Second one, Francis Xavier, University at Cochin. He started a university at Cochin. Then Wood's Dispatch, Magna Carta of Indian Education. And fourth one, University at, fourth one, Saraswati Mahal, Sarafoji II. Saraswati Mahal. And fifth one, Western education in Madras. Okay, children. Then Roman letter 4. Have you copied down, all of you? First one, choose the correct answer. Here, Sanskrit, all of this above. Bihar, 1980, Portuguese, Charter Act of 1813, Radhakrishnan Commission, 1948 and 1986. And fill in the blanks. First one, knowledge. Second, Alexander Cunningham. Third one, Iltutmish. Fourth one, 1992. And fifth one, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, SSA. And sixth one, 1956. And Roman letter 3, match the following. The correct answer. It's a Chinese scholar. Francis Xavier, he started a university at Cochin. Then Wood's Dispatch, it is called as Magna Carta of Indian Education. Then fourth one, Sarafoji II. He started the Saraswati Mahal. And the fifth one, Sir Thomas Munro. He was in charge of, he only introduced the Western education in Madras. Have you all understand, children? Just copy it down. We'll continue this fourth Roman letter. That is true or false. Shall I rub the board? Shall I clean the board? Okay. Now we'll continue Roman letter 4. That is true or false. Listen, children. True or false? First one. The writings of Charaka and Susruta were the sources of learning of medicine. That is true. Answer is true. Second one. Temples were the centers of learning. That is also true. Third one. The Chataka tales tells us that kings of society took an effect. That is also true. Fourth one. Women education in India was prevalent during the medieval period. That is false. And the fifth one. The RMSA scheme was implemented during the 10th 5-year plan. 11th 5-year plan only it is. So it is false. Then Roman letter 5. Consider the statement whether you have to say first one. The Nalanda, they gave you the 4 statements. The Nalanda University was founded in 5th century. And the Mari 4 statements kuduthirukkranga and they gave you the 4 options also. Among the 4 options, the correct answer is D. That is 1, 2 and 3 are correct. And second, find out the correct pair. The correct pair is B. Answer is B. Another, Macaulay's minutes. அதுக்கு டைரக்டா இருக்கிற English education. That is the correct answer. Then Roman letter 6. Answer the following. First answer. Write about the importance of Gurukulas. That is in page number 148. You all just take, 48. You all just take 48 page number. The Gurukula, the picture, you can see. The Gurukula picture. Here, under this Gurukula picture, you can see last 5 lines. During the early period, education was imparted by the teacher, Guru Acharya, to the pupils who gathered around him and came to live in his house as members of his family. This was known as Gurukula system of education. This is the answer. Can you see the answer? The 5 lines. And second one. Short answer, second one. Name the most notable universities that evolved in ancient India. I'll 2 universities will write. I'll write the answers directly. Okay. Taxila and Nalanda. Taxila and Nalanda. Third answer. Question is, write a short note on Taxila. I'll write it on the board. You don't have the direct answer. Okay. Taxila pati kekuranga. That is, Taxila is a university. They are asking about Taxila. So, I'll write it on the board then. First point. Taxila was a ancient Indian city which is now in the northwestern Pakistan. In the northwestern Pakistan. That is the first point. And second point, it is an important university in ancient India. And the UNESCO declared it as a World Heritage site in 1980. Okay, children. Okay. So, 3 short answers I gave you. And from 4th short answer, we'll see in the next class. I'll give you in the next class. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.